Hello and welcome to this Mindfulness in Nature video on behalf of the Stuart Low Trust. My name is Katie, thank you for joining me today. So today the meditation is going to be on some newborn coots. So coots are a type of water bird, I'm sure you recognise them, and baby coots are actually called cooties, I've found out, so I hope that you enjoy watching them. And there are still some eggs in the nest on the video, you might not be able to see that, but I think the chicks were very newly hatched. And of course this is a real symbol of spring, of new life and new beginnings. So I think it's a good reminder that we have those periods of growth in our lives where we're moving forwards, and that there's always hope, I think, after winter. And maybe take a moment to notice how much work has gone into the nest that they've built, and they've done that purely on instinct, very cleverly. So just maybe just take some time to appreciate that new life and on those new beginnings. I hope you enjoy the meditation, so sit back and make yourself comfortable, and thank you for joining me today. So just bringing your awareness to the coots. To the baby coots swimming. To mother or father feeding them. Noticing the mother or father coot on the nest. Taking care of the eggs still to hatch. And the babies. And just noticing what draws your attention. Maybe you can take a moment to appreciate the nest and how much work has gone into it. Maybe you can notice the baby coot making its way slowly up the nest. Maybe you can notice the different colours, the feathers, the adult coots, their babies. Maybe you can notice the rippling of the water in the breeze and the movement. Maybe noticing the green plant growing on the top of the water on the surface. And the baby coot bobbing up and down on the water. The adult coot having a bath. Allowing yourself to be completely absorbed in watching the coots and the water. Allowing everything else to fade into the background for a short while. Noticing the last baby coot as it makes its way instinctively up to the nest again. Noticing any thoughts or reactions or judgments that you have that come and go from moment to moment. And just continuing to be in the present moment as best you can.